Your immune system is your body's strongest shield, a personal army working 24/7 to protect you. But what happens when that shield starts to crack? Sometimes it fails without any obvious warning, leaving you vulnerable. Today, we're diving deep into the 5 hidden reasons why your immunity might be silently struggling. First up, and it's a big one, chronic stress. You know, that constant low-level pressure from work, life, or just the world in general. When you're stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. In short bursts, cortisol is helpful. But when it's always there, it actually tells your immune cells to stand down. It's like telling your guards to take a permanent coffee break right when you need them most. Over time, this constant suppression makes you an easy target for any bug that comes along. The second hidden culprit is lack of sleep. We often treat sleep like a luxury, but it's a biological necessity. Think of sleep as the time when your immune system recharges and rebuilds. It's when your body produces and releases cytokines, a type of protein that targets infection and inflammation. Even just one night of bad sleep can slash the number of your natural killer cells, your frontline defense, by up to 50%. Imagine going into battle with half your army missing. That's what you're doing every time you skimp on sleep. Next on our list is poor nutrition. You've heard you are what you eat, and for your immune system, this is gospel. Your body can't just magically create powerful immune cells out of thin air. It needs raw materials, vitamins like C, D, and minerals like zinc. Without a steady supply of these nutrients from a balanced diet full of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, your immune cell production line grinds to a halt. Processed foods and sugary drinks, they're not just empty calories. They can actively fuel inflammation, making your immune system's job even harder. The fourth reason is a sneaky one: silent infections. Some viruses can hang around in your body for weeks or even months without causing any dramatic symptoms. Think about viruses like Epstein-Barr, the one that causes mono. Even after you feel better, these viruses can continue to subtly weaken your immune defenses from the inside. Your body is left fighting a low-grade, long-term war, which drains its resources and leaves it less prepared to fight off new invaders. And finally, the fifth hidden reason is something surprisingly simple: dehydration. We're mostly made of water, and every single process in our body depends on it, including our immune response. Even mild dehydration can slow down lymphatic drainage, which is how your body clears out toxins and moves immune cells to where they're needed. It thickens your mucous membranes, making it easier for pathogens to take hold. Staying hydrated is one of the easiest, yet most overlooked ways to keep your defenses strong. So, how do you know if your shield is down? Your body sends signals. Are you constantly tired? Do cuts and scrapes take forever to heal? Are you catching every cold that goes around? These aren't just annoyances. They're warnings. Don't ignore them. The good news is you have the power to fix this. Strengthen your immunity by taking control. Prioritize sleep, aiming for 7 to 9 hours a night. Fuel your body with clean, nutrient-rich foods. Find healthy ways to manage your stress, whether it's through exercise, meditation, or a hobby you love. And of course, drink plenty of water throughout the day. Your immune system is your greatest asset. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on how to live a healthier, stronger life. See you in the next one.